For those of you who have a Clickbank account, I'm sure you recognize this back office here. This is Clickbank back office, and I just want to show you something. As I said before, I want to keep you up to date on earnings with Clickbank. And let's go to today's date. This is today, as you just saw. Come down here, as you can see in Clickbank. Let's see if I can get that in there. It doesn't show. But if we look over here, this is the gross sales today. We have $33.32. Two sales that came in, which were rebills. So I just wanted you to be able to see this. This is a rebill, okay? So when I speak about residual income, this is exactly what I mean, why it's so important to have items in your 7 streams of income that will allow for rebills, okay? Rebills basically means that when a customer first joins up with whatever product or service they're offering, you want to make sure that you have a service or a product that has a connected rebilling or reoccurring charge. So for example, you could offer a product that costs maybe like $25 up front, but then has a rebill of, $20 a month each month, so that person will, for at least for the next 6 months to 5 years even, will pay you to be a part of the membership or the service or whatever product you're giving away, okay? Provided they're happy and they're satisfied, they will stay with you for years to come, okay? And that is a very, very secure and strong way of building your foundation when it comes to making money online, is to have reoccurring or passive or residual income, okay? There's many ways that we like to describe it. And as you can see, I know you just saw the video that I created about earning $500 in less than 24 hours. And then, here a few days later, boom, another $33 sale, another $100 sale, another $200 sale. All these sales begin to add up. And when you take the total of how much I'm earning, then you can see that it's very possible to live a full-time lifestyle anywhere in the world, anywhere in the world. But you have to understand, guys, that there's only a handful, maybe about 5 or 6 countries in the world where you need more than $1,000 to $2,000 to live per month, okay? The rest of the 200 plus countries in the world, you only need, the actual local population lives on around $500 a month or less. A lot of times around $200 to $300 per month. So if you want to look at it this way, we are the oddballs, those of us in the West. We live a very, very different type of lifestyle in comparison with the rest of the world. We are not the majority in the least. So if you want to live in a lot of these different countries that you see on this channel, it's very easy and possible for you to live in these countries. You just have to have a residual income or a passive income by way of having clientele who, or people who follow you, having students who would like to know more about what it is you're offering them, and that could be in any niche you can think of. It can be in weight loss, it can be in self-help, it could be in the MMO or make money online niche, IM niche. It doesn't really matter, as long as you have some type of passion for it and you're willing to set aside some time to learn about that which you want to promote, then it's the world. The world is your oyster. You can do whatever you like, okay? Now, what I recommend for people who are just getting started and who have never made money online or even contemplated the thought maybe, is to first go ahead and start with a rev share, because rev sharing can provide you the necessary capital that you need to get started. And rev share alone by itself, especially with For That Pays, if you look around my channel, you'll see my links to For That Pays, my videos that I've created, will by far allow for people to make huge amounts of income in a very short amount of time. I'll be making a video here shortly on the For That Pays, and I'll be going over the calculator again with an updated version showing why it's so important, so imperative that you sign up for That Pays and get your Pays account started and invest $10 in yourself at the minimum, okay? It takes a $10 minimum startup. It's definitely worth it, and I'll show you why, okay? I won't just say it, I will show you why in the next couple of videos. But keeping on the theme of this, of Clickbank, this is why you need reoccurring passive residual income, guys. It is not a scam, it's not a misnomer, it's not something that we're blowing smoke. This is the real deal. So this is why I want to show you my back office, so you just don't see one aspect of it, but that you see all aspects. Okay, all aspects of it. Now I'll even come up here and I'll show you the last 14 days. Okay, I'll show you the last 14 days. This is just 2 weeks. Okay, allow it to process here. Okay, let's come down. Okay, now you can actually see the Clickbank sign better. So let me slide this back over. And let's come down and you can see $229 of residual. This is all residual. Okay, so we can see the rebill sales here, 204. There was upsells of 63. Okay, and then we can see the net sales of 212 and then 229. So that means, guys, that roughly I'm earning $229. No refunds, or actually there was a refund of $55. Okay, but $212 in residual reoccurring every month. Okay, now we know that there's 4 weeks in a month. Okay, or there's 30 days, or so if we had 14 and 14, that'd be 28. So we double that and we can say we're making shy of $500 every month residually, just with this account alone. Okay, so if you were to live in any of these countries, you know that at least with one account you can earn $500 a month. And guys, this is a fresh account, so this account will be growing, and I want you to see it as it progresses. Okay, so we're going to continue to just kind of keep you updated on what I'm doing to grow this account. Now again, guys, there's a link below this video. I want you to get started today. Okay, go ahead and click the link below, enter your email, and watch the video on the next page and get started, because this is your time. This is your opportunity. This is, like I said, the year that I decided to come out from underground